iStereo-0745-B3 stereo microscope delivers superior optical assistance and durable, reliable operating mechanism with a comprehensive range of accessories and diverse modular configurations. It meets high-precision demands in modern biology, medicine, scientific research, online inspection in the modern electronics industry, and other high-tech industry fields, featuring a 14.5-degree inclined reviewing head with a binocular diopter adjustment that offers an individual distance adjustment range of 15.4 mm to 76 mm. Equipped with a hinged binocular design, it provides a 0.7 to 4.5 times continuous zoom with a 6.4 to 1 zoom ratio, ensuring verticality across the imaging plane. Featuring bilateral focusing for comfortable and convenient operation, users can choose the focus handler closest to them for handling. The B3 large plan base makes this ideal for observing large workpieces. An optional 144 LED surface illuminator is available to meet various lighting requirements. The zoom knob adjustment is smooth and precise, while the bilateral focus handlers allow users to control the focus with greater subtlety and precision. The trinocular tube comes with a built-in ±5 diopter adjustment, enabling diopter correction without the need for adjustable eyepieces.